Next stage is cloud. As a beginner, don't try to master AWS, Azure, GCP at the same time. Choose one primary cloud. My recommendation is AWS. Once AWS fundamentals are clear, you can understand the equivalent services in Azure and GCP. In AWS, you should learn these services I listed down. And if I talk about by simple meaning of each services, EC2 is for the virtual server, S3 is storage, IAM is user role policy permission, VPC is a private network in AWS, public private network NAT, internet gateway, all these things under VPC. RDS is a managed database. Under managed database, there are different databases, MySQL, SQL, and Postgres DB. CloudWatch is used for the monitoring, logging, metrics, and alarm purpose. And load balancing is for the distributed traffic, and security group is for the manage the firewall of the AWS services. In GCP, you should know Compute Engine, GKE, GCS, Cloud Run, IAM, monitoring, logging, and artifact registry. In Azure, you should learn virtual machine, AKS, blob storage, Azure DevOps, resource group, Azure Monitor, Azure Container Registry. If I talk about cloud security, you should learn least privilege policies, IAM role, MFA, key rotation, security group, public and private network, subnets, secrets management, how to avoid root account uses, and make sure do not commit any access key to GitHub repository or any other repo. For cost optimization, you should learn how to create a billing alarm, how to set up a budget alerts, free tier limit, spot instances, saving plan, how to delete unused resources, how to stop unused EC2 instances, remove unused disk or IP addresses. So yeah, this is all in cloud, all three clouds. And if I talk about lab, you can deploy same application that you did it on the previous section. You can use AWS or GCP service. Like if I talk about AWS, you can use EC2, S3 bucket, CloudWatch, and in GCP you can use Compute Engine and GCS for storage. You can combine all these services and make a project run on these two clouds, and then you can compare the costing of these clouds and how these two clouds having different comparison with the deployment and monitoring experience. After that, you can push that project in GitHub.